Tente's 364 Series heavy-duty casters combine efficient work with high performance and are optimised for speedy transport of heavy loads, even in confined spaces. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Precision ball bearings in the head race ensure efficient swivel resistance, delivering maximum driving comfort on any floor type. The 364 Series are available with options for swivel, swivel brake, fixed, directional lock and central locking, which allows multiple casters to be operated at once. A combination of total lock and a directional lock is also possible. Wheel types include polyurethane, rubber and nylon, all rated up to 600 kilograms per caster. These casters are ideal for trolleys and towing applications at up to 15 kilometres, while retaining maximum directional stability. Tente's 364 Series casters deliver efficient work with minimum wear and reduced maintenance costs. And you can find out more about Tente's 364 Series casters at all the W's, Tente, which is tente.com.au, or call 1300 836 831. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.